Step back in time with me to a lively farm in 1953 where families worked hand in hand, the salt of the earth, oh so grand. They had little money in the bank, but to their God they gave thanks for the bounty received from above, even when they didn't have enough. They all had specific tasks, and whatever else mother or father asked. Love for each other never wore a mask. A farm family seldom crashed. Some of the children got teary-eyed when a four-legged friend died. They were cared for with great pride. Their grief they did not hide. Perfect they were not. After all, there's a pinch or two of fault in every human heart. Forgiveness was the beginning of a new start. Dogs barked and children cheered as an old tractor pulling a grain thrasher changed gears. Down the lane it slowly moved and backfired in a wheat field, there to harvest this year's precious yield. Held together with a prayer, wire, and rope, that old thrasher was every farmer's best hope. Farm to farm the owner made his loop on time, always refusing to take a single dime. The field sprang alive like a busy beehive, raw-boned haulers, feeders, baggers, and more. It was difficult to keep score. Straw and husk on the fly certainly looked like a good supply. We peeked around the kitchen door to see the hustle and bustle on the floor. On the stove, steaming pots and pans, loaded with food grown and prepared by loving hands. At the end of the patriarch's grace, he gave thanks for sending you and me to this place. With family, neighbors, and guests gathered around, it was obvious why America was on solid ground. To our new friends we say goodbye. Back to 2020 we must fly. Behind a cloud they slowly disappear. Time out while we both shed a tear.